Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit videos with Ali Abdaal style in CapCut to create a more engaging video. So here, you just need to add a video and also prepare a background like this. Then, click on the video and put it on overlay, put it as overlay. Click on overlay and make it align with the background like this. Okay, and after that, click on the overlay and remove the background. I'm going to use the auto removal. And then after that, click on stroke. Here, just select the one that you want, but I'm going to use the solid color stroke like this. Now go back, click on the check icon, and then add 2 keyframes at the start, like this. Then on the second keyframe, drag the object down, like that, and add other 2 keyframes at the end, in here. Then on the last keyframe, move back the object to its original position. Okay, and now go to the video effect. Click on the retro category, find retro. Now for the first video effect, you need to add the black noise effect like this. You can adjust it to your liking, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. Now adjust the length of the effect and add another effect. Here, still on the retro category, add the pro effect. Let's find it. So just scroll down. This one, click on the effect. Now adjust it to your liking. I'm going to lower the intensity and also the filter. Here, click on a check icon and also adjust the length. So after that, you can just add your text. So add the text where the objects move. So I'm going to click on overlay first. So I'm going to put the text in here. So after you write your text, also adjust the length. The same with the effect, the overlay. So I'm going to click on overlay again. Here I'm going to add the text in here. Okay, let's click on the text and adjust the length. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to, put the text here at the top. So this is the result. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!